Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your Sacramento area realtor, and the market has been heating up for a while, but finally now our weather is getting there as well too. Right now I'm at the end of May, beginning of June 2019. We're going to talk about the real estate market and what's going on with the end of spring, heading into summer, Sacramento real estate. All right, the stats just came out for April 2019. We're going to pull those up and take a look at kind of what was going on with the market there for April. Also gives us an indication of what was happening earlier in March, as well as gives us pointers and some hints as to what might be coming in June and July as well. So let's take a look at those. All right, active listing inventory. It's almost 2,100 homes available on the market. That is up 11% from a month ago. That's to be expected. The inventory always is rising as we head into spring and summertime. We're getting more homes on the market, as well as it's basically the exact same amount of homes that we had at this time last year. Okay. And if you remember the market last year, it was going strong, but then when we hit about April or so, things kind of slowed down and we had a high inventory and it was kind of a slower second half of the year. So that would be indicating we might be heading towards that, but hold on. Let's take a look at some more stuff here. Pending sales this month. Almost 2,000 pending sales. It's 1,978 is the amount of pending sales. That's up 47% from a month ago. So a huge dramatic jump in month-over-month pendings. Okay, so we say, well, you'd expect that this time of year. There's going to be more pendings in April than there were in March, of course. But wait a second, let's take a look at pending sales a year ago. It's up 43.5% from a year ago. So that slower market that we had in the second half of last year, that was showing up in the pendings last year. But right now, look at our pendings. Our pendings are going crazy right now. So that's indicating that probably we won't have as slow of a second half this year, at least for the next few months, based on the amount of pendings that we've got compared to this time last year. Huge jump in the pendings. Total number of closed escrows, just right around 1,500 closed. That's up 13% from a month ago. And that is down just a tiny bit, about 5 or 6% from a year ago. But I'm predicting that those number of closed escrows are going to start outpacing what we were doing last year because of that number of pendings. That's a huge number of pendings. And then along with that, the median price has jumped up to $385,000. That's up over 5% from a month ago, as well as year over year. It's up 4% from a year ago. So the median has been coming up as well based on that supply and demand matrix that we've been talking about. But remember, if you take a look at that graph there of inventory over the last few years, inventory always will be increasing as we head into the summer and late fall. So we'll be expecting to be seeing that. So wow, those pendings are going crazy compared to a year ago. I think that's indicating that we're going to have a very strong June and July statistics-wise compared to this time last year because that pendings is so high. So what's going on with the market? It's very sensitive. It's very finicky right now. These numbers are showing that it's this crazy strong seller's market, but that's not 100% accurate. It's very sensitive. It's very delicate. It's got to be priced right is the number one thing right now. It's really, the market is very sensitive to pricing right now. If you're just a little high, most buyers are staying away from those properties. But if it's priced right, they're going after it, they're fighting for it, and you got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 offers. But if you're a little high, you're kind of going to be hearing crickets as a seller. You don't want to be in that position, that's for sure. So pricing right, if it shows well, has good marketing, those three things, you're going to have success. But it's very sensitive. It's very delicate with buyers. They're so educated and they're being kind of finicky right now on property. So it depends on the scenario. You can't just say a blanket statement. So moving forward, I think we're going to continue to see sales volume remaining pretty high. Median probably will be trickling up a little bit as well too, as well as inventory will probably be trickling up a little bit in the months ahead as well. So it's even more important for you sellers coming on to be pricing right due to the sensitive nature of the market. Hey, that's it. That's all I got for you this month. Feel free to check me out, realestatewithdoug.com. Look forward to talking to you soon. Give me a call, text, email if you're looking to buy or sell real estate in the Sacramento area. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment, or something. Look forward to talking to you soon, and clear skies.